Boys, as you all know, the Bloop has been active for weeks. Searching, calling, hunting something massive. And today, we believe it's finally happening. Location confirmed. 32 kilometers south of Puerto Rico. All coastal zones have been evacuated. No civilians, no ships, nothing. Because we don't know what these creatures are capable of. We're deploying full surveillance, drones, hydrophones.
Deep sea scanners.
Our mission is simple.
Observe, record.
And survive. All cameras on. I repeat, all cameras on.
This is Command Unit 00.
We are approaching the target. Visual confirmed.
Gran Majá is here.
Massive.
Serpentine,
Moving slowly beneath the surface.
like it knows something is coming.
Aim, prepare the underwater drones. Deploy in 3, 2, 1 drones in the water.
Descending. Feed coming in. Clear visual. Multiple angles. Wait, something's wrong. Movement detected. Fast.
They're too close.
Pull them back.
Now.
One hit from that thing.
And we lose everything. Distance, 500 meters.
Hold position, hold.
Contact! That's it!
That's the Bloop.
It's huge. Larger than anything we've ever recorded.
It's circling.
No, it's attacking.
Gran Majá is reacting. They're moving.
Fast!
This isn't a meeting.
This is a fight.
Split the drones.
Track both targets. We're losing visual.
Follow them.
Do not lose them.
They're going deeper. Signal dropping.
We're losing them.
No, no, no.
Signal lost. 7 days later, the world has changed. What we witnessed that day was not just a battle. It was a warning. Humanity now faces a terrifying reality. We are not alone. At the top of the food chain, questions remain. Why did these creatures reveal themselves now? What are they? And more importantly, how many of them are out there, hidden in the deepest oceans, or worse, watching from the dark? But one question haunts us more than anything else. Is Gran Majá still alive? No one knows. We were too afraid to go back down. Even now, we hesitate. Because if the Bloop survived, then something far worse might still be waiting below. And this time, we may not be ready.